Hi there. Thanks for listening to the Home Inspector podcast. My name is Hope. Let's talk about inspecting foundations. I want to talk to you about Foundation Fortitude, cracking the code for a solid home. We'll be referencing the code, the IRC sections R401 through R408. Whether you're a seasoned home inspector, a hands-on contractor, or a homeowner curious about what's holding your house up, understanding foundation systems is key. Let's dig into the basics, drawing from the International Residential Code, the IRC Chapter 4, and translate the technical stuff into plain talk. Let's talk about the foundation. It's more than just concrete and dirt. Think of your foundation as the unsung hero of your home. It's the base upon which everything else rests. But it's not as simple as pouring concrete and calling it a day. The IRC, our go-to guide, lays out the rules for building and assessing these critical structures, ensuring they stand strong and perform as intended. Now, here's info for everyone. The big picture. IRC Section R401. It's important to understand that choosing the right foundation is not a one-size-fits-all situation. The selection depends on a variety of factors, including the type of soil, the slope of your lot, and even the local climate. This means every house is unique, and what works for your neighbor might not work for you. Furthermore, the soil itself plays a crucial role. Different soils behave differently, with some holding water, while others shift. An inspector or contractor will assess these soil conditions to ensure the foundation is properly designed. Here's some info for the builders and inspectors. The nitty-gritty IRC sections R402 through R404. The IRC specifies the acceptable materials such as wood, concrete, and masonry, and outlines how these materials should be used. Specifically, sections R402, R403, and R404 cover material requirements, footings, and foundation wall construction, ensuring there are clear rules to follow. Footings, which can be thought of as the feet of your foundation, are designed to spread the weight of the house. Proper size and placement are crucial for stability. Foundation walls, which can be made of concrete, masonry, wood, or even insulated forms, must be strong and resist moisture to prevent structural issues. And now, let's talk about homeowners, keeping things dry and healthy. IRC Section R405 through R408. Water is a significant enemy of foundations, making proper drainage essential. This includes ensuring correct grading, functional gutters, and effective drainage systems to keep water away from your house. Basements and crawl spaces need to stay dry to prevent moisture-related problems, so waterproofing and damp-proofing are key. Additionally, crawl spaces require proper ventilation, access, and debris removal to maintain a healthy environment. Now, why should you care about this? A solid foundation is the cornerstone of a safe and stable home. Foundation problems can lead to costly repairs and compromise the structural integrity of your house. Understanding the basics empowers you to make informed decisions about your home's maintenance and potential repairs. And here's the bottom line. Whether you're inspecting or building or owning a home, knowledge of foundation systems is essential. By understanding the principles outlined in the IRC, you can ensure that a home stands strong for years to come. Thanks for listening. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to the International Association of Certified Home Inspectors at InterNACHI.org for the latest information about home inspections. Keep inspecting, stay safe, and we'll talk again real soon.